Normal distribution. Session prerequisites. Browse to our earlier material on Introduction to Normal Distribution. In preparation, please have the spreadsheet open on your computer and follow along. Maximum benefit guaranteed. Learning objective. Contrast the model's prediction with actual data.
For the rest of our discussions, X is the normal variable that approximates monthly returns of Pharma 1. Now X has parameters mu given by 0.02 or 2% rate of return, that is, and sigma is equal to 0.108 or 10.8%. What's the probability that the monthly returns of Pharma 1 are between 5% and 15%? There's a spreadsheet function called normdist. Once we supply the parameters, we have the answer. So over to our spreadsheet here. As you can see, these are the monthly returns, and I'm going to look at the probability that X takes the value less than or equal to 0.15 or 15% monthly returns for Pharma 1, of course, and that would be equal to normdist of X, which is 0.15, the mean, which is to be found in this cell, the standard deviation to be found in this cell, and the cumulative flag is 1 for the area. So I get this number here, which just tells me about 90% of the returns, 88.5% to be precise, lie below 15%. Next, I'm going to do the same thing for 0.05 or 5%, and this would be normdist of X, which is 0.05, the mean, the standard deviation, and 1 once again. And I get the difference as equal to the cumulative area up to 15% monthly return, that is, minus the cumulative area up to 5% monthly return, and that is 27.7%. Roughly, there is a 1 in 4 chance for Pharma 1 to show a monthly return between 5% and 15%.
Really? How about we check with the actual data?
Sure, I'll use a COUNTIF function. The actual proportion of returns in this bracket turns out to be 27.1%, which is quite close, you will agree. So I have returns less than or equal to 0.15 as given by a count function, and it's a COUNTIF function for Pharma 1, everything in the B column, and I have my condition less than or equal to 0.15. So I have 217 monthly returns of values less than 0.15. So returns less than or equal to 0.05, I will do the same thing, COUNTIF everything in the B column less than or equal to 0.05, and that is 152. The difference in the counts gives me 217 minus 152, and that is 65 months where the monthly returns for Pharma 1 stock lay between 5% and 15%. Now these are counts, we are looking for likelihood. So we should divide by the total number of months. This time it is monthly returns, so it will be 239 and not 240. So I have the likelihood as equal to 65 divided by the count of everything in B, and I get 27.19 or 27.2%. Contrast that with 27.7%, which is the ideal prediction.